Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Tesla Center. Since Tesla joined the market, it's been only encouraging. It made its most memorable presentation at $17, and from that point forward, the organization has developed to more than $1,000. The organization's figured out how to arise at the top, and there have been various hypotheses and expectations about where the Tesla stock cost will be later on throughout the following couple of months. In any case, we didn't expect it when Ron Aristocrat said that Tesla stock would ascend by up to multiple times. Furthermore, however much it sounds ludicrous, his thinking is very reasonable. Before we start, on the off chance that you'd like this sort of satisfied, hit the like button. Buy in and turn on warnings to stay up with the latest on everything occurring with Tesla. Ron Nobleman is a monetary master and the director and pioneer behind Noble Assets, with $59 billion in resources under administration, making his clients $54 billion in benefits. On the off chance that you investigate Nobleman Support's portfolio, 44% of it is Tesla. Nobleman Assets has contributed about $380 million somewhere in the range of 2014 and 2016. They expressed their confidence in the brand, and during this time, Aristocrats some way or another anticipated that Tesla Incorporated planned to become quite possibly of the most important organization on the planet and to show significantly more help. Nobleman Capital Administration was one of the electric automaker's top financial backers, which means around 1.5% of their resources. Along these lines, they've previously made $4 billion in benefit alone. Noble as of late stunned everybody as he had the conviction that in the following 10 or so years, Tesla stock will develop by multiple times its ongoing worth. This with the way that Tesla has never been demonstrated to be however low as it seems to be presently, all in view of the market slump, prompting why Noble could be standing firm on all of this. Indeed, we can't say without a doubt. However, what we can say is that his reasons are worth the effort. When you hear his thinking for saying this, you will be astonished. In a meeting, Ron Noble gave an assertion on Tesla and its future. What's more, he likewise conjectured on how far the stock will go in the following couple of months. He's constantly upheld Tesla and surprisingly pronounced that he's raked in tons of cash from Tesla stock. One reason that Ron Aristocrat imagines that Tesla will develop by multiple times is a result of the ongoing development rates introduced by Tesla. Throughout the long term, Tesla has made very much a progress. The organization figured out how to put 4 battery-fueled models onto the worldwide market in January 2021. This created up to $31 billion in deals. This thus expanded the market base valuation from around 1.7 billion in 2010 to 1 trillion of every 2021, which is faltering. Furthermore, one reason why Noble accepts Tesla is as yet developing quick. Moreover, Tesla has as of late recorded all-out Q1 2022 profit of about $18.7 billion. This comes generally from the 300,000 units of Tesla vehicles that the organization has sold. In view of this, Tesla has recorded an all-out increment around 81% year over year. That is some large development. Furthermore, Aristocrat sees it. With such records going on, Tesla's figured out how to stir up its opposition just by its presence. Despite the fact that many individuals have felt quite wary about the organization, we can say that Elon Musk never becomes weary of discrediting them. Nobleman has figured out how to make millions from the organization benefiting firsthand from Tesla's development. Yet Aristocrat actually accepts that this was just the start. During a new meeting, Nobleman said that his firm just puts resources into associations that are likewise putting resources into themselves. Furthermore, we can recognize that Tesla itself puts a ton in its own material. Aside from the typical solarcity, Tesla has a lot of acquisitions that have all assumed a key part in guaranteeing that the organization can run all the more successfully. They are continually putting the cash they make once more into the vehicles and creation interaction to make it stunningly better, while likewise working on the auto-driving element and are nearly delivering taxis that drive themselves. This is the very thing Nobleman sees for Tesla's future to be a huge achievement. We can all concur that Tesla has proactively developed by multiple times. It once went from $17 an offer to around $700 per share. So what might occur in the event that they imitated this, similarly as Ron recommended, and increment the stock by multiple times? One thing that we should rest assured on is that Tesla is truly equipped for expanding its stock cost by multiple times the ongoing one. The way that they cannot yet change the fundamental standards of the brand intends that at its center, Tesla actually has all that it needs to get it to where it is presently. Others would agree that Tesla is, as a matter of fact, in a superior position now they actually have their focus on the big picture. This is very apparent with the new opening of the Berlin Gigafactory. The industrial facility was opened in the relatively recent past, and it's set to build the creation rate at the organization. In the main quarter alone, Tesla conveyed around 300,000 units. This year alone, they're supposed to go past the 1 million imprint for the units they convey. Besides, Tesla is as yet boosting creation. Tesla has a great deal of items in the line to come. Furthermore, they're all special thoughts. Be that as it may, they have a propensity of postponing their items again and again. However, despite the fact that they do this, they are still a long ways in front of the opposition. A model is the Cybertruck, which has been confronting delays for quite a long time. Notwithstanding, despite the fact that the Cybertruck is deferred, it is for the best as it's being overhauled with probably the most recent elements. At the point when the Cybertruck was presented, it was the very first proposed electric pickup truck, yet since other electric pickup trucks were delivered, Tesla's needed to up its down to make it shockingly better than the ones that are as of now available. Essentially, Tesla actually considers development to be a piece of its measurement for progress, and the majority of the trailblazers can settle on that. And surprisingly, however the Cybertruck faces such countless postponements, it's actually got a huge fan base with many individuals sitting tight for its send-off. Right now it has been sent off. It will increment deals for Tesla. Another venture that Tesla has that could end up being one of the most mind-blowing thoughts is the Tesla semi-truck. This is additionally in their main goal, and it is the principal proposed electric truck. It had proactively begun getting orders for it, for example, the one that was made by PepsiCo, yet the truck has not yet been authoritatively delivered. Be that as it may, when it delivers, being a unique advantage is going. Nobleman made a definitive token of confidence in Tesla when he said that he will save Tesla for something like a decade or more. He even admitted that he let Elon Musk know that he would be the final remaining one out. However, we have seen a portion of the things that are going great for Tesla and its stock. So for what reason is it declining? Indeed, since the stock got to its record-breaking high of $1,199, the stock cost has recently been declining. This has incredibly impacted the majority of its financial backers as they have counted the misfortunes. In any case, this isn't just happening to Tesla, yet additionally to the whole securities exchange. A portion of serious areas of strength for the like Tesla and the S&P 500 have made some harsh memories clutching their place, particularly with the central bank's arranged loan fee climb. Higher financing costs have likewise been viewed as less positive for certain resources with valuations that depend on long-haul income projections. In any case, this isn't whenever that Tesla first struggles in the financial exchange. It likewise happened last year when Passage presented the Portage Lightning. Notwithstanding from that point forward, Tesla has had the option to pick itself back up and is presently rising indeed with another plant. They can make up to 1 million units, and the more units they produce, the more deals. So that causes us to ask, does Tesla can possibly develop by multiple times, as Ron Nobleman claims? Indeed, it's especially equipped for that, and it will really get to making it happen. However long it remains consistent with its main goal, then, at that point, it will be great. Be that as it may, what do you think? Do you believe Tesla's stock will develop by multiple times its ongoing cost? Tell us down underneath in the remarks. And keeping in mind that you're still here, feel free to tap on one of these two recordings on your screen. See you there.